this is your part. Why are you so excited, Donna? Okay, so let's try it again. I am so excited. I am so excited, first of all, because ADOM rocks. You people are amazing. That's right. That was the most spectacular opening I've ever had. No other conference is ever going to compete. Thank you so much for that. But there are other reasons why I'm so excited. I'm so excited because we have right here in this room a major celebrity. That's right. She was recently named People Magazine's Sexiest Woman Alive. She's just come from filming her new movie with Matthew McConaughey, Tom Cruise, George Clooney, and she's this woman right over here. Please give Kasha a hand. Would you join me on stage? Right? Yes, please give her a hand. Oh my gosh. Kasha, I am just so excited. Here, let's get you fitted. Oh, awesome. We are just so thrilled to have you, Kasha. Yes, you can see throngs of your fans have gathered. They're screaming your name. Kasha. Oh my gosh, the paparazzi is right here. Let's give them a little. Excellent. Now, Kasha, would you give them a little thrill and just show them how a movie star walks up and down the red carpet? That's right. Oh, very good. She's preparing. Look at that. Give her a round of applause. Woo! Yes. And Kasha, since you are a major celebrity, I have the M&Ms that you requested, right? Did you want plain or peanut? That's perfect. Great. And did you want all the green ones removed?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. So could you take care of that for me right here? Yes, thank you. We're going to remove all the green M&Ms for Kasha. And Kasha, also, since you are such a major celebrity, I would love for you to visit me at my book table later for a free copy of 501 Ways to Roll Out the Red Carpet. Great. Please give her a big round of applause. Thank you. Honey, let me walk you down. Yes. Excellent. Thank you. She's awesome. Give it to her. Thank you, Kasha. Kasha is not the only movie star in this room, though. That's right. Heather Colicchio, did I say that right? Colicchio? Yes? Heather just starred in a movie. It's about patients who call in for last-minute appointments, and what they do is they gather all in the waiting room and they fight it out until the end, and the last one living gets to see the dentist. It's called the Dental Games. It's amazing. It's such a great movie. I hear they're planning a sequel. I'm so excited. Several sequels. And then Laurie Streeter and Kim McQueen were also in a movie. It was about the day in a life of a dental office manager. It was called Desperately Seeking Downtime. And what I didn't realize until today is that we also had the stars of Magic Mike here today, up here performing for you earlier. That was just amazing, amazing. So I'm really, really excited to be here. We're here to talk about rolling out the red carpet for your patients and your customers. This beautiful woman that you're looking at here is my grandmother. We called her Mémé, my French grandmother, Beatrice Bouchard. She was, oh, thank you for giving my grandmother applause. She was an amazing, amazing woman. My Mémé had 14 children, 7 boys and 7 girls. And thank you, yes, I think that deserves a round of applause. Thank you. And my dad was number 11 in the family, so he was one of the 7 boys. And one of my favorite memories about Mémé is that when she and her husband, Alfred, my Pepe, when they had all those 14 children were grown, they all pooled their money together and they sent Mémé and Pepe off to Rome. It was a trip of a lifetime for 2 people who had never left Fall River, Massachusetts, where they lived and where my father grew up. This was a trip of a lifetime for them. And as they were coming back, a bunch of my aunts, my uncles, myself, my sister, my mom, my dad, we all gathered at their house on California Street in Fall River. And everybody was there. My Aunt Jermaine, she was my favorite aunt. I called her, well, she still is, I call her Aunt Shemaine. And my Uncle Bob, he was the one that played piano at all our family functions. My Aunt Bee, she had a condom collection, just for fun. We were all there, and my mother, as we were waiting for them to be driven back from the airport, my mother found a remnant of a red carpet. And she took it out, and just on a whim, she took it out and she rolled it out on the sidewalk. She told my Uncle Arthur, when you pick them up, drive them right here. And I watched as a little girl who always wanted to be a movie star and put talent shows on in her backyard. I was just so excited to watch this and wait as Mémé and Pepe got out of their car and were welcomed home with a red carpet. Because I knew what that meant. I watched the Oscars every single year, even as a little girl. And I watched, and in Hollywood, this is a branding thing, right? It's that red carpet. But what they're saying is, these people are so important, they're so significant, they're so special, that they deserve to have a red carpet rolled out for them. And this, to me, is what customer service is really all about. It's about making that person in front of you right now feel significant, important, and special. And so, whoops, I keep hitting the wrong button, there we go. Never in our lifetime has this been more important, because today, this is how people are finding their dentist. They're going online, they're looking at Yelp, they're looking at reviews. They want to find somebody who can not only treat them with the best care, but that can make them feel significant, important, and special. And your customers could be anywhere on this spectrum. They could be really angry, and we don't want to keep people angry, right? Because what do when they're angry? They do what now? They go online and they write reviews that people are looking at. We don't want our patients to be dissatisfied because they may not tell anyone, but they may just quietly go somewhere else and never give you the opportunity to fix it. Satisfied isn't enough today. Delighted is what we want. And that's what we're going to talk about today. What's the difference between satisfied and delighted? And when delighted happens from every team member, at every opportunity, for every patient, every single time, that's when you create advocates or raving fans for your practice who are going to come back again and again and bring their friends. There's all kinds of research out there. I'm not going to bore you with all of it. This particular one, 55% of customers would pay extra to guarantee better service. I love the quote from Don Draper in Mad Men. How many Mad Men fans out there? Do we have any? Yeah, love Mad Men. He's certainly no expert, but I love this quote. It says it all. When you get the check, that's when you lose them. After that first visit, that's when you make the sale. It's like, how did they feel treated? Excuse me 1 second. On the other hand, if